Since this is a constituency specific, question number 4. In the name of Kingsley Agyemang, Abuakwa South.
Thank you very much, Right Honourable Speaker. I seek to ask the Minister for Interior measures being taken by the Ministry to enforce insurance of public and commercial buildings in compliance with Section 218 of the Insurance Act 2021, Act 1061.
Yes, Honourable Minister.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. The Safety Directorate of the Ghana National Fire Service considers insurance policy on all designated premises, including commercial buildings, as a prerequisite to fire certificate acquisition. The acquisition of the certificates is mandatory and is in accordance with Regulation 1C, F, and 2(1) of the Fire Precaution Premises Regulation of 2003, LI 1724. The Ghana National Fire Service and the National Insurance Commission embark on pre-enforcement and enforcement exercises annually to ensure compliance of the provision in Section 218 of the Insurance Act 2021. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Yes, Honourable Member. A supplementary?
Yes, please. Thank you very much, Honourable Minister. I seek your guidance that, fire has been a very terrific thing in recent times, and therefore crave your indulgence that if we could intensify the pre-enforcement and enforcement measures to make sure that most of the people who occupy commercial buildings really comply with this provision of the Act. Thank you.
Honourable Minister, it seems you didn't get a question. Honourable Member, can you repeat your question?
I'm asking the Honourable Minister to intensify the level of pre-enforcement and enforcement measures, since fire has been very rampant lately. Thank you.
Honourable Member, will proceed to normal question number 1. Standing in the name of Dr. Kingsley Agyemang, Member of Parliament for Abuakwa South.
Thank you very much, Right Honourable Speaker. I seek to ask the Minister for Finance what plans have been put in place to resolve the tension among commuters as a result of the recent directive by the National Insurance Commission to increase the compulsory third-party insurance premium by 10% effective February 1, 2025.
Yes, Honourable Minister.
Mr. Speaker, on the 28th of November 2022, the National Insurance Commission, represented by the insurance industry stakeholders and the General Transport, Petroleum and Chemical Workers Union of the TUC, signed a memorandum of understanding for the increase of third-party motor insurance premiums by 30%. This increase was to be spread at 10% per annum over a period of 3 years, effective 2023. The Speaker, for the purpose of clarity, this 10% annual adjustment was to be applied in the first quarter of every year, effective 2023, and renegotiated by end of year 2025 by all interested parties as per a memorandum of understanding that was signed. Mr. Speaker, following a meeting between the National Insurance Commission and the industrial players on the 19th February 2025 to address the challenges associated with this increment in the third-party motor insurance premium, the component that determines the minimum motor third-party premium will be reviewed and determined as a percentage of the third-party property damage limits. Mr. Speaker, as a result, the National Insurance Commission, working with the stakeholders, agreed that in line with the MOU that was issued and signed in the year 2022, they will implement the 10% additional increase for the year 2025. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you very much. Any supplementary question?
Thank you very much, Right Honorable Speaker. Two quick supplementary questions. With regards to the subtitle, Way Forward on the Concern, paragraph 1, you did indicate that there was a stakeholder engagement on the 19th of February, that they were going to come out with some review mechanism. May we please know any timelines that were assigned to, since these are usually annual policies?
Mr. Speaker, I was not part of the